You know who DRDISRESPECT is? The guy with wears the wig and the sunglasses and the mustache and like the body armor suit and like dances in front of the green screen and shit.
Is he like a transgender or something?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's from his.
Oh well, good for him.
Yeah. Pursuing
his dreams.
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of people that agree with his thoughts too, so he's got a pretty good community based around him.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a good guy.
Yeah.
Very family oriented kind of guy too.
Oh
you
well.
Check him out. Yeah.
So okay. All right.
Holy shit, looks like me when I shave. Dude, he looks like train wrecks. Oh.
Thank you for your 5 though. 26 from Silent.
What does it say about a streamer when his 4XL shirts are all sold out?
It just means that we have a very passionate community when it comes to food, okay? We're just very passionate people when it comes to eating, all right? Do you mind? You let us live our lives? Thanks for your 26, Silent. Didn't hurt my feelings at all, by the way. Thank you.
Kinder eggs are illegal in America. Oh, really? These things? Oh my god. So what do you say?
Maya, don't be mad at me for showing this, but this is very important. You guys want to see the best news I've heard in my entire fucking life? Whoops. Woo, boy! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, I'm so happy. What a relief.
Oh, it's biting me. It's biting me, dude. What is this thing, dude? I don't know what it was, dude. I don't know if it was some kind of moth or whatever, but it tasted pretty good. Hell yeah. Oh, look, there's another one. Your turn, Banjo.
Stop Call of Duty being put on the Boundnet launcher. Thoughts? Call of Duty? Well, that's great. That way they can cluster all the dead games together. You know, you can have StarCraft 2, Diablo 3, World of Warcraft, and Call of Duty all in the same launcher. And you know what they can rename the Boundnet launcher to? A graveyard.
Should make an arena in hell and fight the Moonlord there? Why, does he take damage in lava or some shit? Why would you... Why would you do this? Why would you jeopardize...
Working?
Yeah, I see everything except your head.
Cut my head off.
Oh, there we go. All right. All right, everybody. Wait, do you want me to put a... Oh, do you want me to hype you up? Want me to hype you up? Ah! Damn, that's actually pretty cool. I didn't know a big guy like that could disappear. That was actually really... Greek! Oh, Greek!
Just kidding, I'm right here!
That's actually impressive. I didn't know your body could move that fast. That was actually really cool. I'm gonna be honest with you. That's actually...
Thank you, thank you.
We in there.
He's insane. Good job. You're a god, Kyle.
Dude, I think this guy's getting the head or something. Oh, this guy's getting... Dude, this... Oh shit. Okay, okay.
Okay, hold on. I think I need to put my hair back. Slip space for head people? Drop it.